Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to report RSU on your tax return, how to enter RSU on a tax return, right? This is very important as well as this easy. So first of all, you have to collect your form 1099B from your broker, which detail the sale of RSU, and your form W2, which includes your income from RSU. If you don't know 1099B form, you can just get it from Google. Just type here 1099B form and you will get an official link from the IRS, right? And from here, as you can see here, proceed from your broker and barter exchange transaction, as they have mentioned it. So if you just click on 1099B PDF, and here you can see, right? So this is how you can get it. Now the second thing is calculate income. Determine the income from the RSU by adding the fair market value of the stocks on the vesting date to your W2 income. Report on form 8949. Use form 8949 to report the sale of a RSU. List each cell including the date required, date sold, right? Proceed for the sell and the cost basis transaction, or basically the fourth step or fourth reason you can say that transfer to schedule D. Summarize your gain and losses from the form 8949 on the schedule D. Then you have to calculate the tax owed by using schedule D and transfer that amount to your form 1040. If you still don't know how to get your 1040, same thing, you have to follow the same steps. You have to just go to Google and search for here 1040 form, right? And just write here IRS in the last, and you will get this link here 1040.pdf, right? So this is here, you can get it, that is individual income tax return, right? So now here, if you have RSU that vested but were not sold, report the income on your form 1040 and any applicable state tax form. Right, so as you can see here on the screen, ensure compliances with the latest IRS rules and regulations. If you don't know, you can just visit IRS, and here you can see forms and instruction, and regarding each form they have given certain instructions, rules and regulations to follow. So if you need further assistance, you can just go on IRS or to your broker or to your consultant. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.